How to recover deleted TikTok messages. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel. And on today's video, we will see how we can recover deleted messages on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Once you land on the home page, navigate to the bottom right and tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here, head over to top right and tap on three-line icon. From this menu box, tap on settings and privacy. And then again tap on account. So under this page, there you have an option as download your data. Tap on it. You have to wait for a while. After that, tap on select data to download, then tap on custom. And from here, select messages, then tap on done. After that, you can also select the file format and then tap on request data. After that, it says your data request is being processed. And here it says when your file is ready for a download, it will be available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So as you can see on this interface, I already have the requested data available to download. All you have to do is tap on the download and the file or the text file will be downloaded in your device, where you can find all of your data including your messages. So this file will expire after 4 days, and if you submit another request, your existing file will expire as well. And that's how you can recover deleted TikTok messages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.